Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are starting from ayah number 72, Surah Baqarah 72. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وإذ قتلتم نفسا فادارأتم فيها والله مخرج ما كنتم تكتمون. Wow, circle your lips. The makhraj of wow is to circle your lips. Don't use your upper teeth to touch the lower lip to say wow. Wow is always pronounced from your circled lips. Wa in. On dal, there is a medium, there is a flow of sound. Where in, this is sound. Qa, qaf is short and heavy. Qaf is among the letters qussa dagtin qiz. Qussa dagtin qiz. So that will be always heavy. Qataltum nafsan. On fa, in fa, there is a flow of sound. Nafsan. فَادَّارَأْتُمْ fa, flow of sound. فَادَّارَأْتُمْ فِيهَا fi, two haraka long. Two haraka long. فَادَّارَأْتُمْ فِيهَا وَاللَّهُ. Circle your lips. For wow, to pronounce wow, you have to circle your lips. Wallahu. Wow, the Jalala, letter of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is always heavy. Wallahu. It's heavy when you will find fatha before it. Ha, you have to circle your lips for ha because there is dhamma. Wallahu mukh. Circle your lips for meme and then go back. The lips should go to their normal position for kha. Don't circle your lips for kha. Mukh. And there is flow of sound. Mukhri. Ri is short and light. Jum. Circle your lips for dhamma. For pesh, you have to circle your lips and attach it with meme. Jumma. The gunna on meme. What is gunna? Keeping your the sound in your nose. Jum. This is gunna, and then ma is two haraka long. Ma kuntum. Dhamma on kaf. You have to circle your lips and hide noon and don't pronounce it with your tongue. Kun, just hold the sound in your nose. Tum, there's dhamma on ta, circle your lips. Wallahu mukhrijum ma kuntum tak. There's flow of breath. Tak, tu, dhamma, circle your lips for dhamma. Every time you pronounce dhamma, you have to circle your lips. Tak, tu, moon. Whenever you are giving a temporary sukoon on any letter because of waqf, when you find mud letter before this temporary sukoon, you will stretch it 4 haraka long. Tak, tu, moon. Fa, 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 there is a flow of sound. Fa, qul, dhamma on qaf, circle your lips and give tawassut, medium flow of sound on lam. Fa, qul, nab, dad is heavy. Nab, and hold the sound. Ri, uh, every kasra you have to say double e sound in re. Uh, in every kasra you have to um, say e sound. Now re boo boo is two haraka long, who is short, boo b is short, ba is short, and give medium flow of sound on ain, ba, and squeeze your throat for to pronounce ain. Li is short and heavy, ha to haraka long, bi ba li ha, ka is short, that to haraka long, li short, ka short, كذلك there is dhamma on ya, circle your lips, and on ha, give a flow, give a breath, flow of breath. You yil, ya is soft and has kasra, so make kasra light. E, you yil, and lafz jalala, the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be light. Why? Because we found kasra before it. Whenever you will find kasra before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, you have to make Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name light. Yeah, this is you. La is normal sound. Whenever you will find kasra, you make Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name light. You hul, for dhamma, circle your lips and give a medium flow of sound on lam. يحيي الله المو to haraka long, ta to haraka long, mauta, ويريكم short, you short and circle your lips for dhamma, ويري to haraka long, kum ayatihi, is to haraka long, ya to haraka long, ayati, t short, he to haraka long, ayatihi, la'allakum, la is short, al, ain from your throat, squeeze your throat well to pronounce ain sound. It's a little uncomfortable on ain, but do it. لعل, la is short, kum, dhamma, circle your lips for kaf, and there is tawassut, so medium flow of sound on meme. لعلكم ta, ta is short, and squeeze your throat to pronounce ain, ta, and medium flow of sound on ain. Ta, qi is heavy, and make kasra e sound. Loon, whenever you are stopping for waqf and you are putting temporary sukoon, before that, if you will find mud letter, you will stretch it 4 haraka long. تعقلون, and give a medium flow of sound on noon.